Hi! We are here again for another makeup review. Matagal na rin since yung last time, kaya excited na ako mag-review ng mga bago sa collection ko. Ito yung mga bago sa makeup collection ko, kaya let's test it out. I don't have anything on my face except skincare. For the base, I have here yung first base ng Colorette. I have the shade La Union and Lassie. May iba na nagsasabi na nagda-darken daw si first base ng Colorette. That's why dalawa na yung binili ko. Isang shade lighter than my skin tone and isang medyo andun na. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go with Lassie. I'm going to use a brush for this one. As you can see, marami akong dapat takpan sa face ko na acne marks. So let's see kung gaano katindi yung coverage. Oh, I don't have any primer on. Wait lang. Ang ganda. That's why ang daming nagre-rave sa kanya na merong mga skin textures kasi ang ganda nga ng itsura niya. Let's add another layer kung matatakpan niya pa more. Checking it closely, walang nagsisettle sa mga dry patches ko, especially sa mga active pimple ko like this one. Plus, the coverage, okay na to for a skin tint. Fairness, hindi niya na-emphasize yung pores ko. Walang streaks akong nakikita, so compatible siya with brush. I have here, Get Ready With Me, all about that base Radiance Tint. This is Porcelain. What I like about this concealer is hindi pinagmumukhang sobrang dry under eyes ko. So this is what it looks like on my face when it's blended. I also got their Radiance Tint pero yung kanilang green beige corrector. Since green beige na siya, pwede ko siyang gamitin alone. Yun ang gusto ko dito sa green beige corrector ng Get Ready With Me. This one, kahit ilagay mo siya on top of a foundation, okay lang. Before we set our face, meron ako ditong bago blush stick from Sassy Colors. This is their Radiance Glow Multi-Use Blush Stick in the shade Pink Punch. It's not a jelly form type of blush. This is what it looks like. Ooh, nice pink. Ito yung mga hinahanap kong kind of pink shade. Wala naman ako nakikitang lifting from our base nung nilagay natin yung blush. So now, let's set our face. I have here Absidy Beauty Base Complexion Blur Translucent Perfecting Powder. I'm in the shade Oat. When you open the product, you have a mirror there, the product itself, and a puff. Seeing how it sets my under eye, yes, it is a bit blurry, but I must say parang hindi sila compatible nung first base. May pamumuo nang nagaganap somewhere here. I'm going to use my normal brush na ginagamit ko talaga for my under eyes. Now, I'm going to dip my brush. I'm going to top off the excess. I get it. Walang problema sa powder kasi nung sinet ko na tong part na to, I don't have any pores there. Mas naging smooth yung application ng powder. So, I guess it's because of my pores. Hindi ko pa masabi na gusto ko siya. Hindi ko masabi na hindi ko siya gusto. Let's put some colors dito sa face natin. And for that, I have here Easy Cosmetics. 2 blushes and 2 contours. Nalagay ko na lang here yung shade na dalawa na to. I have here the shade Puff. I have here Torch. Pumili rin ako ng 4 shadow inserts from their collection. And ito yung gagamitin natin together with the Get Ready With Me. So, ito rin yung insert nila kung maliit lang yung meron ako. These are the 2 eyeshadows and ito rin yung gagamitin natin for our eyebrows later. I'm going to use this bronzer shade. Ang nagustuhan ko dito is that hindi siya ganon ka-pigmented. Yes, advantage siya for beginners kasi hindi ka mabibigla sa pigment. And sobrang natural lang niyang tignan sa akin. For the blush, ito na rin yung gagamitin ko. And para dun sa dalawa na hindi natin ginamit dito sa video, I'm going to swatch it for you. This is Puff. This is Torch. For the brows, balik na tayo sa Get Ready With Me. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Pinagahalo-halo ko silang tatlo. And having an oily kilay, in fairness, tumatagal itong powders na to. Because look how pigmented it is and kung paano niya talaga nagawang very defined yung kilay ko. To set our brows, gamit ako nitong Lucky Beauty Brow Fluff. This is in the shade Gray Brown. Maliit lang siya. I'm expecting na medyo malaki. Sana lang makatulong tong ganitong klase ng brush. Parang nadodrawingan niya na rin yung kilay ko. Look at the difference ng kilay ko. Parang nagagaya niya na yung buhok mo sa kilay kapag dumadampi siya sa balat. So, parang nadodrawingan niya na yung balat mo ng kilay. I like it, pero meron siyang learning curve. I have to learn kung paano siya gamitin. Next product is Strokes Beauty. This is their Microblade Pen Perfector. I'm in the shade Arsenite. Tama ba ako nagbasa? This is what it looks like. Ang ganda ng packaging ng Strokes. Isang swipe mo lang na ganun, meron agad pigment. One swipe, okay ka na. For my eyes, ang gagamitin ko na lang is this pink shade. Oh my God, it's so pretty. In all fairness, dito sa specific glitters na to, wala naman siyang chunky glitters na kinakatakot kong pwedeng pumasok sa mata ko. Bagong-bago sa industry ng beauty and makeup, double up mascara ng Fashion 21. O diba? After how many years of being matunog and famous sa social media nitong mascara na to, ngayon ko lang siya matatry. Alam nyo na yung itsura nitong mascara na to because a lot of influencers, YouTubers, content creators, TikTokers, alam na kung paano mag-perform to. Ako na lang yata ang hindi. I'm going to curl my lashes first. Wow! Wow! Grabe yung length niya, grabe. Ang ayaw ko lang sa kanya, napagdikit-dikit niya ng konti yung mga lashes ko, but the length, I love. We have here Detail Cosmetic Lip Leisure in the shade Baby and Rose Latte. This is what the product looks like. That is Baby. Yung texture niya, parang silicone, velvety, ganon. I love it. This is Rose Latte. Ang light niya hala sa akin, love it. Hindi siya malagkit. Mararamdaman mo na parang meron kang suot. And then, papatong ko na si Rose Latte. So, this is what my face looks like kapag flash lang ng camera or ng phone yung gamit. In fairness, ang ganda. Overall, I am really satisfied with this. Lahat ng ginamit natin maganda. Yung napansin kong medyo may pamumuo dito sa part na to, wala na siya simula nung medyo nag-oil ako ng konti. That's all for this review. Hindi ko na i-wear test to. I hope you guys like it. And kung meron pa kayong gustong ipatry sa akin ng mga products, ipa-review, let me know in the comments. Yun lang. See you guys on my next video. Bye!